So we've found a whole heap more rust on this Audi. This is what remains of the rear bumper mount. I mean, it's just completely disintegrated. And look at this, grade A rot. So we're going to have to find a replacement for this, which may not be easy.
And the rot doesn't stop at the bumper. Even the car's 30-year-old petrol tank is on its way out.
Hear that noise? That is a whole heap of rust. So what we may have to do is line the inside of this tank, which involves putting a paint-like kind of mixture in, and eventually that solidifies, which then means that there's no loose rust left on the inside of the petrol tank.
Right. So this looks like it's actually been in the seawater. The discs are really badly rusted, as are the calipers. In fact, everything under here is starting to go. The anti-roll bar, so we're really going to have to knuckle down on this car. It's not looking that great. Let's see if we can blast this caliper off. Everything is rusted so solidly on this caliper, I've got to use a breaker bar of this magnitude to get it off. Oh. I think we're going to face this all the way through with this car.
Since stealing it away, the boys have found a car so rotten that just about every moving part has had to be stripped off.
This car is absolutely chock full of crispy, horrible rust. Now this is the front sub-assembly from the Quattro. It looks really rough. I mean, we've got loads of rust over everything, and yes, okay, so things like all the rubbers, etc. will need to be replaced. But the bulk of this is actually serviceable and reusable. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a lot of cleaning up and we'll get it back to looking as good as new. There are obviously lots of leaks over the gearbox, so we'll replace all the output seals there. Although doing this is going to be a fair bit of hard work, it's probably, on this particular car, going to be a lot easier than finding replacement parts.
Tim's heading to a place that repairs, cuts and coats wheels to original manufacturer's standards.
Right, so this is diamond cutting. This is for an alloy wheel that's got a super shiny front.
That's the one.
So what it does then is you give it the alloy wheel with the dents in the top of it, and then you do a profile of the shape of that wheel, a contour,
That's right, yeah.
and then you shift it in a millimetre or whatever it
We
is.
just keep bringing it in until we get cut all the damage out.
Oh, no way, so this is the powder coating process. So you earth the wheel, and you positively charge the particles of powder, and then they adhere for that reason. Is that right? They stick?
It basically causes powder just to be attracted to the metal, so you get maximum coverage. It completely envelopes the wheel.
It's super quick, isn't it?
Yeah.